Hello friends, welcome to this channel, and in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can delete your email account on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to this channel. Also be sure to put your likes and write comments at the end of the video. And let us get started with you. If you want to delete your email account from your iPhone for some reason, pause. Then you'll need to go into your phone settings. Here, scroll down until you find the Mail section and click on it. Now here in Mail, go to Accounts. And then select exactly the email that we would like to delete. And as you can see, there's a Delete Account button here. You need to click on it. Then click Delete from my iPhone. And then immediately this account, it will be deleted and no more notifications will not bother you, will not come to you on this iPhone from this particular email. Friends, this is the simple way you can delete the email account on your iPhone. I really hope this video helped you and also that it was useful to you. Please write your comments, put your likes, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you soon.